Hey, how's it going, everybody? In this video I'm going to be showing you how to do the spark plugs on this little Fiat that I got. Hopefully save you some money. And while I'm in here, I'm also going to change the air filter. Got me some NGK plugs. It's the part number if you want to order these yourselves. Be careful, there's a lot of fakes out there. And the Amazon air filter. So this is pretty simple. This cover just lifts off. And then I have to remove this basically air box. There's an 8 here, an 8 there, and an 8 right there. This tube needs to be removed, and you got to undo this, and it's all done with an 8mm. Oh, and this little guy right here. These are the tools you'll need. Probably some pliers to work with that hose. We'll find out if we need anything else. At an 8mm, I find that this extension arrangement works really well. 1-inch, 2-inch, and then a spark plug socket. And there's the air box. This is that bolt that's in the back. They're all captured, so they just kind of stay in place, which is pretty nice. Here we got the coils. Just gonna undo this and lift it out of the way, just like that. And you don't even need to unplug these. You can just undo the 10s and lift them up. You'll see right now. I forgot to mention earlier that you'll also need a 10mm socket to get these bolts out. That's really old. So super easy to get those out. From the looks of it, it looks like this little breather tube here is leaking oil down onto the valve cover. An easy way to fix this is you can use zip ties, almost like clamps, and that will help seal it up. Because, I mean, it doesn't seem like it's hard. It's pretty soft still, but it is a little loose on there. So I'm going to do that after I put these plugs back in. When tightening spark plugs, always make sure to crush the crush washer all the way down and then do the final torque. Most people will just hit the crush washer and turn it a couple times and think that's tight. It's actually clean. I'm just gonna put that back in. And there you have it. Easy peasy. It took maybe 5 minutes. So I hope that helps. Thanks for watching.